How to connect Jira to Claude, a quick and easy tutorial. First, you're going to open your browser and then you're going to head over to Claude AI. Now, make sure that you're logged into your Claude account and then you're going to click on Integrations or Connectors section, which is accessible from the left side menu in the settings area of your Claude workspace. Now, you can also just click on Customize right here if you cannot find it. It really depends on the layout of your Claude. Just click on Customize. And then from the customize page, you're going to click on connect your apps. From here, you will be redirected to a page where you can find all of the apps or integrations that you can connect with Jira or with Claude. Now, from here, you're just going to try and find Jira by heading over to this search bar at the top. You're going to search for the connector Jira. Now, Jira won't naturally come up. It will come up as Atlassian, and from Atlassian, you can access Jira. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this Atlassian rover right here and going to click on the plus icon. Then you will be redirected to an Atlassian authorization page where you will need to log into your Jira account and allow authorization. So you can just click on the apps that you want to access. So for example, we just want to access Jira and not Confluence. So we can just turn that off by clicking on this box right here until the check mark is gone. And then you're going to just click on approve from there. Now you're just going to log in with your Atlassian credentials and grant Claude the necessary permissions to access your Jira workspace. So you can just scroll down from this authorization page and then you're going to click on accept from there, and then you're just going to wait for that to load. Now, once connected, you can start asking Claude to pull up your Jira issues, summarize tickets, create new tasks, or update the status of existing ones directly from the Claude chat interface. So for example, you can type show me all open issues assigned to me in Jira, and you can do that. So we're just going to head over to this new chat right here, and then you will be able to use Jira already. If you don't know how to do that, then I'm going to show you how. You can just click on this plus icon right here to access your connectors. And then from there, you're going to hover your mouse over this connectors section. And then from there, you can click or toggle this Atlassian Rovo button, and then you'll be able to use it from there. And that's it.